Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove this trim right here on the Skoda Octavia 2 facelift from 2010. So with tools like this you need to kind of come around it and unhook it, but it seems this one is too thick. I need something thinner. As you can see, something like this you can do, and it's coming out. It's quite loosely put in there, so no big issues. And you now have access to your tweeter and also that screw in case you want to get the door out. Tweeter also, I think with some clips you can fully get it out, but you kind of probably need to get the door. In case you need to only remove this, you can do it just by pressing in here, and when you press on that, it unlatches and you can pull out the connector. So to put this back in place, obviously see the orientation for the connector itself, and it should clip in there like that. I think these need to go in first. You don't have that much access in that area. And then wiggle it around, make sure you don't break the clips. This is quite a sensitive little part. And it's back in place. That's about it. So, hope this video helps you, in which case please give it a like, check out my other videos, maybe subscribe, and as always, see you in the next one.